Say hi, Jack. Hi. Hi. You love me? Yeah? I love you too. Okay. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a sped up tutorial or video showing you guys the process of making this unit on my head. I got some hair from Her Hair Company. Amazing, beautiful hair that was, you know, strong enough to withstand all the bleaching that I did to it. I did 2 bleaching processes, so you'll see that in this video as well. And I colored it to this like deep red, not burgundy. It doesn't have any like purple undertone to it, but it's a very deep red color, and it's absolutely gorgeous, like a red wine almost, but brighter, you know, with some zoom. But I'm absolutely loving this hair and the texture, the quality. Alright you guys, so the hair that I received from Her Hair Company is their body wave hair. I got it in 4 bundles, 18, 20, 22 and 24 inch bundles, so 4 bundles in this unit. I also received a 16-inch frontal that goes corner to corner. It's not a closure, which is just right here. This covers the entire front for some of you guys that do not know that. So I'll be showing you guys how I created this unit. I look a little busted in some of the footage, so don't judge. I do not make wigs in full-on glam makeup or anything. I make wigs in the time that I have available because I am a mom of 3 and I'm really busy. I'm a stay-at-home mom, but I'm really busy. I don't just do YouTube. I have other things that I have to do and stuff like that. So whenever I do have time available, I make wigs. So usually I look like a mom. Alright, but if you guys want to see how I created this unit, colored it, and all that good stuff, please keep on watching. If you want any information on this gorgeous body wave hair from Her Hair Company, make sure you check the links down below. Hope you guys enjoy it. Alright you guys, before I start the wig video, I want you to see the back of this unit to see how gorgeous and how beautiful the color came out. This is the back of the unit, you guys. It does not have a strap in it. finished unit right here. Don't laugh at my wig head. I've had this wig head for 5 years, you guys. This is the first ever foam head I ever bought, and I made my first wig on it, and I've kept it ever since. It's pretty much staying alive because of lots of tape and paper towels and plastic bags and God knows what else I put in there to kind of shape the head the way I wanted it to be. But this is how she looks. The hair is still very beautiful. It still has a lot of body to it. The quality, the texture is still pretty much the same. So the 2-step bleaching process that I did to kind of lift the color didn't damage the hair at all. The key is you make sure you deep condition after you wash the hair. So after I washed the hair, I didn't show that step. I let it sit in a deep conditioner. You could choose any one you like. I used a mixture of hair mayonnaise and this coconut deep conditioning conditioner from conditioner from Renpure, which I really like. You could get those in Walmart, and I just let her sit in there, and then I sprayed her with the It's a 10 leave-in. They also have I think it is, but they're pretty much the same thing, and I sprayed it with that, and this is how it looks. The hair is still flowy, it's not heavy or anything like that. Alright, you guys, so I got all of the lace off, so here we are. I'm sure you could see that. There's a face powder, your contour powder, and we'll mix your contour powder with your face powder. Okay, and that's it. And then you just tap it into the lace. You kind of push it in there. What it's gonna do is just cover the knots and make them look like skin or like they're invisible. So now I'm going to use some hairspray. This is from a company called Norcob's Beauty, or yeah, Norcob's Beauty. And I'm just gonna spray the lace just a bit and then go over that again. I'm going to use the yellow one since it dries faster. Only thing I don't like about it is the way it comes out. Sometimes it comes out liquidy, sometimes it's like separated from the white part. It's like a white and liquidy part. It's really weird. So it's pretty much on my hairs. Some of these hairs I will be brushing out before this dries. Or you know what? I may not leave out any hair. I think I'm just not going to do that. I'm going to put on the wig like this first so that the gel doesn't get on any other part of the wig except for the lace. Alright, you guys, so what you want to do is gently just move it to the front and press it down. Hold it in place with the yellow tube of the Got2b glue. You can hold it in place. It usually sticks on in about a minute or two, or you can use a blow dryer to speed it up. Once it's stuck on there, you can just put on a headband or use a blow dryer, whatever you wish. It doesn't have to look cute, but just kind of hold it in place until it completely dries, and then you can go in and style it up. Alright, you guys, so what I did was wet my frontal just to tap it and use the pointy end of the comb just to kind of take off the hairs, like unstick them because they were stuck down. Just lift them up to make them look a bit more natural. My hair, my frontal is not tangled. I can easily just brush through it. But if it is tangled, you don't want to use a brush, or else it's just going to rip the hairs out of it. I don't know if you guys could see, but this hair is so thick and pretty, you guys. So pretty. Alright, you guys, so all dry. I really like how this turned out. So, yeah. I will be doing a makeup look tonight. I probably will put the end result of that look in this video, but I'm definitely doing a Valentine's Day look tutorial with this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and the video and how to put this on. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think, and don't forget to hit the notification button, okay you guys, so you can get a notice whenever I upload. If you don't want to hit it, you don't have to. But anyways, love you, bye!